Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill in the expected salary on Jobstreet. So if you are a Jobstreet user, you'll know there is a expected salary information that you need to fill in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So open the Jobstreet app on your phone and then go to the Me option. Here, go to your profile and click on Manage Your Profile, and then here scroll down until you find this current status, and click on Edit at the right. And here you'll see the expected salary option. When you need to edit the nominal, just click on this, and then you just need to erase the previous with the new one, for example like this, and then just go back. And you can also change the currency into your own currency in your country. For example, since I'm in Indonesia, I'm using Indonesian rupiah, but if you in other country, you can choose from here. For example, this is Singapore dollar, and then there is also US dollar and etc. And then you can just go back and click on save to save the changes like that. Okay, so that's it. That is for me. That's how you can fill in the expected salary on Jobstreet. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.